Natasha Tessier, owner of Dwell Realty and Design. I have a special treat for you today. I am out at a listing that I have coming in January 2025. This home is over 10,000 square feet. Look at the tennis courts and the basketball courts and everything else. I cannot wait to show you this tour. Anyway, over 10,000 square feet, over 8 bedrooms, 8 bathrooms. Has everything that you would ever need in a home on almost 2 acres in the heart of Tomball. Would love to share it with you. Can't wait to show this to you. Come check this one out with me. Okay, I'm starting in the backyard because it's my favorite. It is absolutely stunning. You've got thousands and thousands of square feet of decking, and I love this pool. So peaceful. You've got your whole outdoor entertaining here. And then you even have your own tennis court and basketball court back here. This is going to be the new add-on with a new garage, an apartment. Actually, it's like a whole nother house up there with a kitchen, fireplace, bedrooms. I will get up there, but wanted to show you guys this outdoor space because I love it. And then I will go through and get to the front door so that you can see what all this place has to offer. All right, so here is our view out our front driveway. You've got your privacy gate. It's on a cul-de-sac. So you can see how gorgeous the property is. Got the apartment and garage over there. Let's go through this front door so you guys can really get a view of what is going on here. So you come in, nice open foyer, got nice ceilings. Check out that chandelier, stunning. Okay, so you come in here. This is a nice sitting area. Off here, you've got your primary. I'll go down there in a minute. Off of here, you've got your whole entertaining space. So dining, open bar. You've got a bathroom here, which is also the pool bath. So the pool is right out there. Got a full bathroom here. And then here you've got dining, living room, kitchen. Okay, so let me take you back over to the primary wing. Gorgeous dining area, gorgeous chandelier again, just beautiful. Okay, so we're gonna walk down here. They have since replaced all these floors with hardwoods, which are gorgeous. This is a little media room right off the front here. And then this is a study, which is looking out to the pool with nice built-ins. Come down here and you've got a very large primary, very oversized. A cool fireplace here. That's your pool area. This is one of the closets that the house has, which is gorgeous with all these built-ins. And then we'll come over here and you've got your full primary bathroom, the other closet, shower, tub, and then we've got a third closet here, which is great. So much storage. Come down here and I'm going to show you so this is the back half of the kitchen. Your full kitchen here. And then you've got a pantry here, which is nice and big. And then you've got one full guest room down here. This too has its own private bathroom. Full bathroom, closet, and then you got your laundry room here, which is nice and oversized as well. And this is a second kitchen. So the mother-in-law lives, or the mom lives in the guest room and loves to cook. So this is kind of her space to cook. And then I will come back, they're in this room right now, and show this to you. This is the original garage that they converted into like a workout room, which is huge. So we will head back towards the front and head upstairs. Okay, so we're gonna head upstairs. Okay, gorgeous. Check this out. Just stunning. Another stunning fixture here. So that's kind of a balcony here. We have lots of bedrooms. So you've got a full room here. Full bathroom. And huge closet. It's crazy big. Then you come over here, you've got another bedroom. Full bathroom. Walk-in closet. This just keeps going. This is really cool up here with the deck. So this is their deck. Just stunning. Okay, let's go back in and check out more rooms up here. So come down here and you've got a nice sitting area here. Goes out to the deck out there. Another huge bedroom, bathroom, closet. There is a shower here, it's just on the smaller side. So every bedroom has its own bathroom. We are gonna keep going. And this is kind of the newer addition that they added onto. So I'm gonna come over here. This is kind of going up over the garage now. So you have another apartment or whole living space. So you've got a living room here, brand new kitchen, never been used. You've got a fireplace here. Out here, you're gonna have a deck off the front. Okay, so you've got a full kitchen here. I mean, it's never been used. There's still like the stickers on the appliances. Got that. And then you come down here and you've got more bedrooms and bathrooms. So here's a full bedroom. And then come out here. You've got another bedroom. With a shared bathroom. So this is just a shared bathroom and another bedroom. Okay, so this is the original garage that they finished out. They have got it as like a game room and a workout room back here. Mirror. That's where it connects onto that kitchen that I showed you earlier in the video. But you've got, this kind of goes out to the garage area and the porte-cochere, and then this is a large sitting area that could be used for many, many purposes. Okay guys, that's most of the house. It's over 10,000 square feet. I'm gonna head downstairs and show you the second laundry and the garages, but this house is pretty amazing. So if you know somebody looking, just let me know. I'd love to show it to them. Reach out anytime, days, nights, weekends, and I'd be happy to show it. Okay, so I just came down the stairs of the extra apartment, and this is going to be a full laundry room under here. And then here's one garage. So that's a 2-car, but then you also have out by the tennis courts, you're gonna have, that's like a 4-car garage there. Tons of storage. And then this is the original garage that they're staying in that has kind of an open workout place, just an open space. So there's the front of the house and the back of the house. Just gorgeous. I hope you enjoyed that tour of this gorgeous home I am listing in January. I would love to show it to you or anyone else. If you know somebody looking, reach out, and I hope you have a blessed day.